1/2 in thickness before being stamped into lids. This is the strip rolling operation. Five passes through this mill are required to bring the strip down to gauge. And again, you will note the milky rolling oil, which is used to prevent sticking of the aluminum to the rolls. In this operation, we are punching out lids from the lid strip. The strip is being fed into the punch press and the lid's blanked out. Each can, of course, must have its lid, so the lid operation is just as important as the can making operation. After punching, the edges of the lids are curled on these wheels to permit stacking. Next, a latex sealant is applied to guarantee a pressure-tight seal between the lid and the can. The slow motion camera freezes this operation for us. Note the white milky latex being applied to the rim of the lid. On the left, we have the lid as blanked. On the right, you'll notice the edge has been curled in and the latex applied. The latex is then cured for 1 hour at 200 degrees Fahrenheit in this oven. The operator is laying out the lids for inspection and packing. We pack lids in these reusable containers. Now for the actual can making process. Slugs are dumped into the hoppers above the impact extrusion presses. A feed mechanism brings the slugs down into the press itself, and the can is extruded. Note that the slug is carried into the die cavity and then hit with a punch, the aluminum literally squeezing out alongside of the punch to form the can. Again, the high-speed camera, operating at 600 frames per second, freezes the operation for us. The slug is inserted into the die cavity. The punch comes in, it meets the slug, hesitates momentarily, applies the pressure, some 400 tons, and the aluminum squeezes out, forming the can. The machines on the left of the press are trimming and flanging the cans. Again, extreme slow motion view of this action. We use these slow motion studies to assist us in the design of many components of this production line. The collar of scrap, which is cut off, is returned to the furnace for remelting. After trimming and flanging, and before the decorating and internal lining operation, the cans must be thoroughly degreased and the surface properly prepared by etching so that they will receive the inks and the lacquers. This machine is a washer which performs that function. We are looking down along the side of the washer where the cans enter to the discharge end where the cans are emerging. The next operation is to decorate the outside of the can. This is done by dry offset rotary lithography. 4 colors